may ilaw.
And we are live. I'll do our countdown first. And we are live! Yo!
Hello everyone! Ito na naman po ang apat na Maria Marie and Mary. Mga iba-ibang version ng Marys. Hello everybody! Hello sisters! Nandito na naman po kami and we're very excited because patapos na po ang month of November. Kaya excited kami kasi palagi kaming nagre-reflect doon sa mga naging journey namin dito sa digital business. And sana may mapulot kayong mga gold nuggets dito po sa isi-share namin sa inyo tonight. And by the way, for those of you who are just seeing us for the first time, kami po pala ay mga digital business owners, mga proud Filipina, kaya po Pinaypreneur, and nasa iba-ibang parts po kami ng US and Canada. And we hop bi-weekly online kasi gusto po naming i-share sa inyo what it is like to be on the inside para meron naman po kayong idea ano ba ang buhay ng mga digital business owners para naman kung may mga questions kayo makuha nyo po dito sa aming sharing and podcast. And tonight, ang napili po naming topic is very timely kasi yung sabi nga po namin, matatapos na naman ang another month, then December, and then we're going to welcome a new year. So alamin po natin, ano ba yung the truth about starting a digital business in 2025. Kasi ang dami po nating nakikitang mga online advertisements, mga presents dyan, and minsan ma-overwhelm ka sa dami ng information. So, dito nyo na po kunin yung mga kailangan ninyong kasagutan. So, what do we wish we knew sooner? Yan po ang ating pag-usapan tonight. So, hello mga sis. Take it away. Point number 1, just introduce yourself and explain natin po sa mga viewers natin.
Wow, thank you. Ako yata yung number 1. Thank you so much, host Mary Rose. But before that, mga abyan, mga kababayan kong Pinay or Pinoy, kung saan man kayong palig ng mundo ngayon nanonood sa amin, magandang umaga Pilipinas, magandang gabi dito sa amin sa US at Canada. Or good afternoon, wherever part of the world you are watching us live right now. So ako nga pala si Maria Ross, back nakatira ako dito sa Wisconsin, USA for about mga 12 years na. So ako ay isang wife, isang farm mom, at dati po akong isang caregiver, isang trainer, at isang server sa isang restaurant. Nagtrabaho din ako sa isang gas station. So multiple jobs po ako noon bago ako nag-start ng digital business. But after a few months of starting this business, I was able to quit my part-time jobs at isa na lang po ang aking full-time job. And of course, ngayon po ay isa na akong proud digital entrepreneur. So, ito nga ang topic namin ngayon ay the truth about starting a digital business in 2025. What I wish I knew sooner. So, ang isa nga naman dito ay it's not easy, no? Yan ang number 1, but it's simpler than people think. So, hindi nga naman madali, no? Mag-start ng digital business, especially kung wala kang business background or hindi ka tech savvy. Pero mas simple lang kaysa iniisip ng iba, no? So, huwag kayo mag-isip na mahirap ito. So, nagsimula din ako dati na walang alam, no? Wala akong alam sa lahat ng being a business owner. Hindi ako tech savvy. At literal na zero knowledge. Pero may willingness ako na matuto kasi nga naman dito sa online business namin, mayroon ng video-based training na provided, tapos mayroon ng mentors and coaches na magtuturo sa iyo kung paano patakbuhin ang iyong negosyo from the beginning of your business, set up everything up to the end. Talagang susuportahan ka rin ng napakadami ng community, 268,000 all over the globe from 28 countries and 43 locations. So, marami kasing tao na nag-overthink, no? Katulad ko rin dati, nag-overthink ako. Pero sa likod ng lahat, ang digital business talaga, mga kabayan, kailangan lang meron kang maging coachable ka at willingness to learn, no? So yun ang in-apply ko para matuto. Dito, ang digital business ay umiikot sa pag-aaral ng sistema kasi may system kami that runs 24/7 at pagpapakita rin ng consistency, no? Importante talaga na maging consistent tayo sa online business natin at sa kung ano man yung ginagawa natin. At ang pagiging bukas sa bagong learning at growth, no? Dito talaga ako natuto maging magkaroon ng self-confident. Tapos, magkaroon din ng self-development. Yun talagang pinaka-importante. Yung mga natututunan natin, tsaka yung self-development. So, hindi komplikado ang steps kapag nakapasok ka na sa online business namin. Kasi provided na nga lahat sa'yo. So, ang tunay na hamon ay ang commitment lang, no? Ang pagpapatuloy ng, kasi minsan meron tayong doubts, di ba? So, ang pagpapatuloy kahit may doubts ka, kahit pagod ka, at kahit busy ka, maging consistent ka. At kapag pinili mong mag-commit, no? Doon nagsisimula ang pagbabago ng dati akala mo ay imposible. So akala ko rin imposible na maging online business owner ako, no? Pero once nandun ka na sa loob, mas iba yung pakiramdam. Mas magiging proud digital entrepreneur ka na, tapos mas marami ka natutunan. Yung mga apps and tools na hindi mo natutunan dati ay talagang matutunan mo dito. And you are surrounded with a positive-minded entrepreneur din na katulad mo, na nag-celebrate, no? Whether it's small wins or big wins, na nandyan sila, gagabay sa'yo through the years, talagang magkasama. So, yun po nakakatuwa kasi lahat nandito na, provided na sa aming digital business once nakapasok ka na. So, wala kang dapat ikatakot. So, yun lang, iniisip mo siyang hindi easy, pero simple lang. Pag nakapasok ka na, matututunan mo na lahat. Mawawala na lahat ng takot mo. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Back to you, Sis Mary Rose.
Thank you for sharing that, Sis Maria. Ayan, frozen na naman ako. Si Elsa na naman. Pero thank you for making it real, lalo na po sa mga nanonood ngayon na hindi po talaga kami get rich quick scheme, na kailangan mo ng commitment, consistency, tsaka yung disiplina. Kasi mahirap naman na ipangako sa iyo na bukas magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong kalaking amount sa bank account mo. Hindi po yun ang goal ng digital business namin. Mahirap po sa simula, pero kayang-kayang gawin. Thank you, Sis Maria. And let's go to the next person.
That's me. Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mary J po. Nandito po ako sa New Jersey, USA. Galing Baguio City, Philippines. I am a mom, a wife, a full-time physical therapist, and now a digital business owner. The truth about starting a digital business in 2025 that I wish I knew sooner. Wish ko that I should have known that I do not need to be an expert. You just need to be a beginner who's willing to try. Madalas itong naririnig ko, yung hindi ko pa kaya, wala pa akong skill, hindi pa ako ready. Pero itong totoo, walang perfect timing at walang perfect na skill set when starting a digital business. Especially yung pinakamalaking kalaban natin minsan, yung sarili nating doubts. Most people think na kailangan maging techie, marketer, or social media expert. Pero sa totoo lang, the people in the winning world in the digital space are the ones who simply decide to start at kahit na kinakabahan, kahit clueless, kahit busy. Success in the digital world comes from the people who learn as they go. Isa yan. Yung kailangan malaman lahat bago mag-start. Ako mismo, zero marketing background. As a mom, OFW, healthcare worker, I am not a digital expert sa totoo lang. Pero natuto ako habang ginagawa ko yung mga ganitong live. Hindi ko alam ang mga platforms na to noon. Natuto lang ako. And the best part, the system guides you step by step. Pangalawa, allow yourself to make mistakes and keep moving. Hindi tayo iiwas sa pagkakamali. Pero every error becomes a lesson. Yung every lesson becomes confidence, and every confidence becomes progress. Pangatlo, ask questions. The most successful people in this digital space are the ones who are not the one who knows everything. They're the ones who aren't afraid to ask. Yung bang make a phone call or text your mentor or your coach. ito yung ace namin sa digital community namin. We have the community, the mentorship, the tools na hindi mo ma-feel na mag-isa ka. Lastly, stay coachable. Ito talaga ang game changer. Coachable people grow faster. Open sa feedback. Ready to learn. Kahit na minsan masakit. Willing to adjust at hindi pride ang ginagamit. And take it by the heart and humility. Sa totoo lang, if I knew this sooner, I wish someone told me that I didn't need to be an expert, just willing, na hindi kailangan maging expert, just consistent. Hindi kailangan na 10 years experience, just take the courage to begin because everybody starts from step 1. And starting as a beginner was the best thing I ever did for my family. And if I can do it, so can you. Sana po may natutunan kayo. Back to you, Miss Mary Rose.
Thank you, Sis Marie. Diyan, narinig na ninyo. Ang message lang ni Sis Marie is come as you are. Hindi kailangan maging expert at wag niyong hintayin ang right timing kasi maghihintay ka forever. Walang right timing. Pwedeng may mangyari anytime. Yung akala mo ready ka na, bigla na lang merong iba na namang event na magpapahinto sa'yo from doing something new. So just come as you are and then we will fill in the gap. Kaming bahala sa inyo. So, ako naman ay ang aking truth about starting a digital business in 2025, what I wish I knew sooner is that people don't buy products. They buy your presence, your heart, and your story. Kung kayo po ay nagkaroon na ng experience nung nagsha-shopping kayo nung sasakyan nyo, di ba, iba yung feeling kapag alam mo na meron lang hidden agenda itong si Mr. Car Salesman. Talagang ipifeature niya lahat ng maganda, pero sa huli, ang motibo niya is makabenta. Kasi meron siyang malaking makukuha doon. Sa digital business po, lalo na po kung kayo ay nasa affiliate marketing, ang kagandahan po is there is a genuine type of help. Kaya po kami nag-share ng ganito. We just want to get more people in this business because of the abundance of blessing na nakakuha po namin. They buy your presence, your heart, and your story. Kung nakikita po ninyo, sometimes po mag-show up kami sa mga feed. No makeup, gulo ang buhok, bagong gising, or nasa kusina, nagluluto. Kasi po, ito po ang buhay ng mga digital business owners. Wala pong itinatago yung mga yan, kundi genuine help na kung kaya po ng isang busy mom like me and the rest of my Pinaypreneurs here, kayang-kaya rin po ninyo. Basta po ilagay po ninyo yung puso nyo and your story is your big why. Kung bakit mo ginagawa ang pagkakaroon ng side hustle para sa extra income kasi meron kang mahal sa buhay na umaasa sa iyo na gusto mong bigyan ng magandang future. You don't need to push products to people. Ako po, nakalimutan ko mag-introduce, Mary Rose from Canada na dating banker. Ito po ang background ko and I know it based from experience kung paano mag-push ng product sa mga tao during my time in banking. Noon po, bawat credit card or product sa bangko na i-introduce ko sa tao, there's always a pull in my heart. Kasi minsan, baka hindi naman swak doon sa kaharap ko yung sinasabi ko. Pero this digital business, ang goal po talaga namin is magkaroon po ng maraming time and financial freedom ang mga pamilya para po mas maharap natin yung magandang responsibility bilang magulang sa mga anak natin at sa asawa rin natin and then continuously support our community. Yun po ang maganda dito and it's doable sa affiliate market. Huwag po kayong mag-push ng product, just give the help people deserve. So, yun po, hindi ako nakapag-introduce pero I'm pretty sure sa story po na to makukuha na po ninyo. By the way, Kapampangan po, living in Vancouver, Canada. I am now a healthcare worker and a proud digital business owner. Thank you. And I think our last Pinaypreneur is Mary Ann from Canada rin.
O, diba? So, si Mary Rose nang introduce sa akin. So, hello po sa inyong lahat. Another fun, Wednesday naman tayo ngayon, usually Thursday. So, this is Marianne again, tuning in to you with my co-Pinaypreneur Hustle Hub panelist. Yes, ako po ay tubong Maynila, pero nasa Ontario, Canada na rin po ngayon for like the past 17 years. Meron po akong 2 anak. I have a full-time job and I'm a part-time online business mentor like the rest of my ladies here. So I want to open up about something real that I wish I understood earlier. So people often ask me, what's the truth about starting a digital business? Ano ba yung totoo? Diba? And honestly, my biggest regret is simple. Not starting sooner. Sok na sok yan sa storya ko. So, kasi before all of this, I was just like some of you watching us right now, di ba? Yung mga tahimik lang, silently watching from afar, right? Supportive naman, curious, di ba? Pero never taking that first step. Yeah, I kept telling myself, hindi ko kaya, wala naman akong time. Oh, maybe next month. Hanggang next month, ganyan. Naging 2 years. So I thought waiting would somehow make things easier. And then suddenly, the pandemic happened, of course, right? And that moment, I realized, akalain mo, inintay ko pa talaga may mangyari bago ko kumilos, di ba? Na kailangan pang may crisis bago ko magising. And I told myself, sana hindi na tayo ganun. Sana hindi natin ini-enforce yung change only when life forces us. Because life doesn't wait for us to be ready. Totoo yan. Responsibilities, they don't wait. Bills, don't wait. Time doesn't wait. Lilipas lang yan ang lilipas, right? And if I kept waiting for the perfect moment at that time, I'd still be stuck exactly where I was years ago. Diba? Tired, stressed, and wishing life felt lighter. But when I finally said yes to this digital business, everything started to shift. I gained more time with my family, no rushing, no half present, diba? But real quality time. I became more present at home. I found more peace. And itong pinaka-importante sa lahat, para sa akin I discovered more purpose. Yung mga tipong, kaya ko pala. Mga ganyan, di ba? And you know what? The most common thing people tell me now is, sana pala noon pa. Palagi, naririnig namin yan sa aming mga ka-business partner. Because once you experience the freedom, the learning, the community that we have, you'll always wish you started earlier. Here's my reflection today, okay? If nothing changes, nothing changes. Diba? Don't wait for the life to force you into action. Don't wait for a crisis. Wag na sana mag-pandemic pa bago tayo kumilos, diba? If you're silently watching us from afar right now, this is your sign. Take that step now. Hindi naman namin sinabing sugod agad diba? Research muna tayo, and that's the webinar we have every Tuesday and Thursday. And then masabi nyo, buti na lang, ako sabihin ko na lang, buti na lang, hindi ako nag-intay ulit. Kundi parang 2 taon na naman. Diba? So, yun lang po. Salamat.
Thanks, Sis Marianne. And tama, di ba? Kung babalikan natin yung journey, bigla ka na lang mapapaisip, bakit ba hindi ko nakita tong digital business na ito noon? Bakit ba naghintay pa? Pero, we can all learn from that. Ang kagandahan, we can now share our journey. Malalaman ng mga viewers natin na it's working for us, na noong nakita natin simula, nag-doubt tayo. Pero ngayon, talagang tinanggap natin yung ito na ang bagong way. Hello, Sis Vicky. She's watching from Italy. Thanks for the support. Yeah, ito po ang bagong way. Actually, tawag nila dito, it's a modern way of making income. Kaya, no more regrets na. Kasi ito, kung nakikita po ninyo kami ngayon, this is a great time for you to check it out. Wala pong puwersahan. Panoorin po ninyo yung webinar kasi makakakuha po kayo dun ng time well spent na mga information nandun po. And unahan ko na ang invitation. So, Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have the live 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yan po ang time namin dito sa may Vancouver, but just check your local time. If you're not able to attend the live, don't worry because upon registration, makapagbibigay po kami ng access sa inyo to the replay na pwede niyong ulit-ulit na panoorin at your convenience habang nasa bus, nasa train, on your lunch break, tulog ang mga chikiting, panoorin nyo on your free time ng paulit-ulit hanggang maintindihan po ninyo ano ba ang digital business na to. Or simply reach out to us. Kung saang page man kayo nanonood ngayon, we will definitely help you. Ang website ko po ay nandyan sa mga screen sa comment section. Make sure to register lang with your name and valid email address. So, Mary Rose here from Vancouver, Canada. Thank you. Go ahead, Maria.
Thank you so much, host Mary Rose. So, mga Abyan, mga Ilongga around the globe or mga Pinay around the globe, kung nanonood kayo sa amin ngayon, so just check out our free live webinar. Meron kaming 90 minutes live webinar, pero kung hindi nyo mapanood yun, meron din kaming replay na pwede nyo panuorin at your own pace. So that's every Tuesday and Thursday, 7 p.m. naman Central Time. I-register nyo lang ang inyong full name at make sure your email address is valid. Valid email address sa aming website. So makikita mo dyan sa comment below. At huwag nyo palapsin ito kasi nagbibigay kami ng opportunity sa inyo. Kaya dumaan kami sa wall nyo because yun na, opportunity na pinagdadasal nyo. Kasi dati, pinagdadasal din namin ito at ito, natagpuan namin ang isang free live webinar. So, see you there. See you on the inside.
Yan. Thank you, Sis Maria. So, OFW, moms, professionals, any walks of life, nakita nyo naman kung saan pandaman kayo ng mundo nanonood. And if you're looking for a side hustle or even plan B that can turn into a plan A, internet or digital world is knocking at your door. So, let's connect. Register your name and email on the comment. Link is down below and we'll see you in the inside. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, first and foremost, we highly appreciate all of your support. I just checked my YouTube channel and dun ko dinadump yung mga live namin. And we've been going on for the past 9 months.
Wow.
Diba? Kung magwa 1 year tayo, mag-season 2 na tayo. Diba? Kaka-check ko lang. Anyway, that's an exciting part. So we highly appreciate all of your support. Pero the real reason we are here is we would like to introduce that there is something out there that might be a good fit for you. And for you to be able to do that, you have to watch the webinar because it's packed full of the ideas on what the business is. So if you're, my website is on the comment section as well, www.mariantibayan.com. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you, mga Marias, Mary and Marie. DMs. Thank you po sa lahat po ng nanonood. And if you found value dito po sa aming podcast, let your family and friends know. Kasi baka naghahanap po sila. And this is the one. And also, hindi nyo po ito gagawing mag-isa. Kung nakikita po ninyo, 4 pa lang po kami. But behind us is a growing number of, ano na ba number natin, Maria?
268.7K.
0.7K and growing daily. So ganyan po kalaki ang aming community and hindi po ninyo ito gagawin by yourself. Nandito po kami and a simplified training site just waiting for you. Kaya register na po, and if you have any topic in mind or questions about a digital business, send us a message para masagot po namin sa podcast na ganito. Or any topics na gusto po ninyong ma-discuss namin. Maraming salamat po and we hope to see you on the inside. But see you again in the next 2 weeks. Bye! God bless you.
Bye!
Bye!